If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
All right, sorry for the introduction. Now, what if I told you that there's a way that you can trade with very low risk and we trade patterns? What if I'm searching for a pattern and I tell you to trade a pattern like this was Kishu that we trade actually? And then I give you some very quick updates in a very simple place, in one place at all. And these quick updates can help you to trade with me, okay? Whenever I trade, you trade with me. And I use my experience and my best knowledge, which you have been looking at. And you get to do the same with proper money management. And you get more chances of winning, which actually give you more guidance. And you don't have to be worried about your daily routine. It doesn't actually get disturbed. Now all you have to do is just come down to the description of the video, scroll down, go to the signals agreement. You see this video and you agree to the agreement. It's a very simple, very straightforward agreement, nothing big. And then you click on Discord and you join the Discord. Now once you have joined the Discord, all you have to do is go to the announcement tab and click on my name, Adam Coins, and all you do is you can click on message and you message me if you want to join and you're interested. So the entries do close by the end of the month. Not too much time there. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update. So it's quite a little bit of an issue, right? So we do have some problems going on with JASMY. I told you in yesterday's video that you're going to have to be careful about JASMY losing this trend line. It's a very important trend line, to be honest with you. And if you start to lose the trend line like this, I do think you're going to pump a little bit back up to 7336, and then from there try to fizzle down again, because that's going to be the time that we start to move down to 55. But at the moment it's still a very important, crucial level, because if you look at it this way, you went up and you're still coming to the 20 and moved up, come back to the 20, moved up. Could you come again to the 20 and try to move back up? That's one thing that we want to see as well, because you have a technical target to move to 9,000 or 10,000, which is still pending. But sometimes, again, the market can be manipulative and, the technical targets don't come in. But at the moment, this is a little bit of an issue right there. If you're starting to lose the trend line like this is not ideal. This is not what we want to see at all. So it's a very clear loss of, this is for the first time. If I dive into the 4-hour time frame, I just want to show you what I'm talking about, okay? So here we go. On the 4-hour time frame, unfortunately, this is for the first time you've made bearish closing outside of this trend line. So if you look at it this way, I'm just going to drag this trend line just a little bit down like that, and that's perfect. Okay, so look at this. One support, one support, one support, came down, and look at this. This is for the first time you're closing outside of it. So this is not good. This is not good. What you need to see, the best scenario is you come up for the retest and you cross this line and this becomes a fake out. That would be amazing. Otherwise, if you end up to go back to retest to 6972 or even 7100 and then get rejected from there, then the next technical target that you might be looking for JASMY is going to be down to the 55 on the daily, and I'm going to show you the 55. And this is another one last place of opportunity that you should not lose at all. So coming down to 55 could be okay, but if you end up losing the 55 and you make a bearish cross here, then we're coming down really badly. So always keep that in mind. Trading wise, I'm not in any trade for JASMY. Personally, I'm not trading anything on JASMY. Long term is an exception here, but trading wise, I don't have any trades opened up. That's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Hello, office.